Okay, so what I've done here is I've taken a little bit better picture of the interface. It looks a little bit better doing screen captures. I can render this on a PC display as well as on the touchscreen panel that you saw. Go back to some video of that at the very end. But anyway, here's what it looks like. It looks really good on the display I'm using. The display that I'm using is a Lilliput 10-inch USB display, extended display, using it as an extended monitor to a home automation PC that I have running. I'm using an active USB cable to power this. The thing I like about this display is that it has an audio capability, and I'm able to show the audio of it too. But anyway, this is the main screen of the home automation interface. You can see that I've got a variety of information available to the user who wants to use it. Date and time, current weather, the headlines will come up. An activity log, that's an important piece for me. Right now it's logging everything in my sump pump when it goes on and off. We just had some rain, so I like to know when that's going on and off. I also have a Twitter logo on there because everything in this activity log actually goes to my, the house has a Twitter account, it twitters, and then I'm a follower of that account, and as other folks in my family. They're able to see what's going on with the system. Here's some commonly used lights over there. You can click on them right away and the light will actually come on. The kitchen light number 2 is on right now. Security panel status is there. It shows the zones being closed or open. Right now we're all green, so we have a padlock showing that everything's locked down, and also shows the previous call information. Can click over to the lights panel. You'll actually see all the lights in the house that are on right now. Den light. You didn't see that on the main screen because there's actually 3 lights in the den. Den fan light 1, can turn that one on. That's connected to the fan. Front porch light and all other lights. I'm using a system called Insteon. It works actually. It's a dual band capability. It actually works over the power line as well as a wireless mesh interface. Each switch in the house or device in the house has an address, and you can set it up in a network capability, and then I control it with a computer interface. So there's the lights, the new addition of a new screen that I have in there. I have the fan capability. I can control those right now. You can see that the den fan number 2 is on low. I can go ahead and turn on the office fan. Click that to medium. Just turned on right above my head just now. And I can turn on the living room fan as well. Turn that one on, as well as, let's say I wanted the office light on. And my office light just came on as well. Weather is another popular one that we like to look at. This weather screen has been customized. I'm pulling down some images from the internet right here for Springfield, Virginia, the weather and the forecast. Current temperature, this actually comes from a weather station near us that we have, Fort Belvoir Weather Station. And this is also an image of the just a large picture showing the things. It's a static image that just updates. Sunrise, sunset. It's also something that's kind of neat to have there. Click back to my main interface. Security system. Shows a layout. This is just the ground floor. Also shows what lights are on. You can see that the office light, this is where I'm at right now. On the touchscreen you will not get a mouse pointer, but you can click around on here. You can open and close the garage door. I could trip the alarm if I wanted, and I think I'll do that right now just to give you a demonstration. So I hit the trip alarm button, and it's asking me if I'm sure, and I think I'm pretty sure, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So you can see my alarm's going off right now. You can hear it in the background. I've got a strobe going as well. And then I'll close that, and then I'll disarm the system. So the system just disarmed. You can see all our zones are in the green. That means everything's closed up right now. What I can do is from this screen I can actually open the garage door. You'll see this here. It should show as the garage door is opening. I can hear it in the background. Very faintly you can see that the zone opened. Garage door is opening right now. And you can go to like the front phase. You can actually see that the garage door is in an open status. You might notice that this panel here did not change, and the reason that didn't change is because I based my security in a two-zone fashion, and my primary zone are the doors to the house. The garage door I treat as a separate zone. You can see that the inside motion just went off, which is my son that's walking around, and it actually changed the status there. He just tripped the inside motion detector, which is kind of cool. It helps out the demo. You can see the den light, the 1 is tracking, and the kitchen 2 light is tracking as well. I can go to a phone log. I'm not going to bring that up because we got a lot of folks, friends' phone numbers coming into that. Captures the caller ID information as it comes into the house. XBMC is his Xbox Media Center. This is under development. I'm working on the control of the Xbox Media Center through my Apple TV. A couple things there, party mode, slideshow capability, and some other things I'm going to be throwing in there in the future. And also some development work. This is actually a smaller screen, but this is actually to be controlling my robot that I have. I have a Sentry robot that's working on the house. I also have a couple system controls in here. I can actually reboot the system or reboot the media server. All right, well, that's about it for this quick demo of my current interface, and I'm going to stitch on another video to show you the actual touchscreen itself. But this is the really cool part of the touchscreen, if you can imagine having this touchscreen and touching it with your finger and operating it that way. So I hope you enjoyed this, and be looking to show you some other videos from my home automation system later on in the future. Again, this is EDGAR, Electronic Data Gathering and Automation Resource. Talk to you later. Bye. Okay, this is a demonstration of EDGAR, Electronic Data Gathering Automation Resource. This is the actual functional video. There's another video that goes with this that shows a little bit more detail about the home automation system that I have installed in my house. I wanted to show you a couple functional things here. Sorry, I'm trying to do a couple things, but this is my touch screen, and I can click on it and it opens up a whole bunch of different things. It's actually easier to see than the video, but I wanted to show that it actually works. So I'm going to show you the light control, and you can see all my lights there, and I'm going to turn off the foyer light here. So the foyer light, which is right there, just turned off. Okay, sorry about this being kind of jiggly. You can turn it back on, and I have a whole bunch of other lights I can control in the house, which is very cool. Go back to my main screen, and I'm going to show you some fan control. So I have a couple of different fans, and I'm going to show you right now. Here's our dining room fans, and I'm going to turn them on. Okay. Turn both on. You can see, there they go, started up. So it's very cool. They're going. And I'm going to give you a demonstration now of the phone capability. Got my cell phone. I'm going to call the house. I'm not going to talk, but I'm just going to show you what happens when a call comes in. Dialing right now.
Incoming call from Kevin's cell phone.
Pop name comes up.
Incoming call from Kevin's cell phone.
Logs everything. And I'm actually going to let it go to the machine on purpose. Okay, so I'm going to cancel that. And another thing that my home automation system does, I just got a text to my phone, which tells me that I missed a call. So if I could read my text to my phone, it would tell me that I just received a call from my cell phone. So again, fans are working. If I want to turn off that den light, I can do that too from the panel. Den light goes off. So hope you enjoyed my demo, and look forward to maybe some more videos later on.